Coming up this episode,
This is one.
a sneaker that has to be seen to be believed. A concept inspired by dessert.
Well, welcome back to Cooking with Chase.
Make sure you stick around.
Oh, wait, we need that. What are you doing? Hey, I'm Chase Hill. I'm a custom sneaker maker from Melbourne, Australia.
I'm Stephen, Chase's apprentice. Just here part-time to satisfy Chase's needs, of course.
Perfect. Welcome to Proof of Concept. This is a series where we take inspiration from film, TV, food, anything really.
And we turn that into a custom sneaker using our expertise.
Today's topic is Australian desserts. So we're both Aussies. We should be able to come up with something pretty cool.
I'm thinking Lamington, Pavlova, Tim Tams, Fairy Bread.
Sweet.
Yeah, literally. All right, so to decide this, we're going to play a game of paper, scissors, rock. So you're going to do which one for this one?
I'll do Pavlova.
Okay, I'll do Tim Tam.
Okay.
All right?
Yep.
Paper, scissors, rock.
Paper, rock. Ah.
Tim Tam. Second game, Fairy Bread.
Lamington. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. No, I forgot.
I slapped. All right.
Ready?
Paper, scissors, rock.
Paper,
Scissors, rock.
rock. Ah.
2-0. Fairy Bread, Tim Tam. All right?
Yeah.
Let's go. All right. So the final showdown. Chase has got Fairy Bread. I've got Tim Tam. Let's go. All right.
Grand final.
Yes.
Yeah. This is one. That,
the lucky first goal.
All right, so that's it. So we're going to be doing Fairy Bread. The chosen silhouette for this one is
An MX-90.
MX-90.
Yeah.
Yes. Again.
Okay.
All right, well, let's get into it. We started with a sole we already had in stock. It features a black outsole, a grey wedge, and a neon air bubble. When I researched the origins of Fairy Bread, I was surprised to learn it was invented in Hobart in 1929, which also happens to be my hometown.
And also the year that you were born. That skincare routine doing you wonders. For the upper, we're using white leather to represent white bread. And to get the butter effect, we're using pale yellow Angelus leather paint and a tan brown mesh lining to represent the crust of the bread.
We are then adding coloured hundreds and thousands using embroidery. After a lot of back and forth, we landed on rectangular sprinkles, and circular ones started to look too much like polka dots. Well, welcome back to Cooking with Chase. And now we're going to be doing an Australian classic, Fairy Bread. So what we'll need first is some bread. We're going white today. We'll need some butter, a butter knife, and of course, hundreds and thousands. So first we're going to get our white bread, get 2 pieces out. So one for me, one for you. Next, get the butter, and we're going to put a generous amount on both pieces. Just really lather that butter on. This is looking good. Now for the fun part. Yes. All right, there we go. So we're going to let these set. And luckily, I prepared one earlier.
Wow. Oh, yeah.
An Australian dessert classic, Fairy Bread. Well, thank you for watching this episode. What do you think our take on that Australian classic?
We had a lot of fun making this, and a lot of fairy bread was consumed. So like, share, subscribe, comment, and yeah, we'll be back very soon with another proof of concept. Munching this.
All right. And we'll see you in the next one.
Delicious.
This is a series where we take inspiration from food, film, TV, and we turn that into a custom.
Wasn't my part to say that?
Oh, wait, we need that. What are you doing?
Mark was too good.
Fairy bread.
Nice.